If there's one thing most kids have in abundance, it's a sense of awe. Everything is new and exciting when you're a child, but often that wide-eyed curiosity starts to fade over time, which surely shouldn't always have to be the case. And with that in mind, we've rounded up some of fun trivias that will make your day and restore that childlike sense of wonder. So park your cynicism at the door and read on to be reminded how inspiring the world really is. To start with, did you know that male seahorses bear their young? In fact, the seahorse is the only animal on Earth in which the male gives birth, according to National Geographic. The female deposits her eggs into the male's brood pouch, where he fertilizes them and carries the eggs until they hatch. And did you know that nearly 15% of Los Angeles is used as a parking lot? You probably knew that Los Angeles is a car-dependent city, but you may not have realized just how dominant automobiles are in shaping the cityscape. In a 2015 study, American Planning Association was able to determine that 14% of the city's incorporated land is devoted to parking. In the meantime, there are snakes with two heads, which compete with each other for food. The fact that some snakes are born with two heads is pretty incredible as is, but what about the added detail that these heads are actually two distinct parts that both work with one another and also see each other as competition? As National Geographic explains of the non-venomous ladder snake Elaphscalaris, first the two heads have to decide they're both hungry at the same time, and then they have to agree to pursue the same prey. Since snakes operate a good deal by smell, if one head catches the scent of prey on the other's head, it will attack and try to swallow its second. Did you know that your brain is sometimes more active when you're asleep than when you're awake? Even when you fall into a deep sleep, the activity inside your head is still buzzing in order to keep your body running while processing your opened, allowing the phosphenes to be seen. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for updated videos.